Okay, guys. I want to just quickly show you and explain briefly based on the training on the accumulator. Okay, on my website. Okay, on my website, I actually have. Okay, let me do it like this so that you can get to see. This is my website, right? I actually have three signal service options, right? Goes outside, which has about three different type of signals. Then we have touch, which also has like three different type of signal. Then I have accumulator, which is just one. And now what I had to do was just to modify this based on the training I gave you guys. The initial one that was there, I had to move it because the initial one that was there is combination of two versions, the one I showed you and this one. So I had to remove it and make it just one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, okay, is when you get to your Deriv. Let's say this is your Deriv, right? You come to Traders Hub and you click on. You see, you have Deriv Trader, Deriv Bolt, Smart Trader, Deriv Go. Click on Deriv Trader. Okay, you click on Deriv Trader. Now, mine by default, every time I open, it opens 25. So, because I usually test it a lot. So, what you need to do is to first, you can see you have accumulator at the top, vanilla, turbo, multiplier, rise and fall, higher and lower, touch, no touch, match, differ, even, under, and all. Okay, those are all that are available here. Okay, some of all these things are also available on the smart trader. Okay, not all, but some. Like this accumulator is not available on smart trader. Okay, accumulator is only available here on D trader, and the other one, this other one, okay, it's only available on D trader, and let me show you this other one, which is Deriv Go. Okay, accumulator is available on D trader and Deriv Go. Okay, but I prefer Deriv Trader. So once you open up your Deriv Trader, you click on the accumulator is by default the first one. So you click on 25. Remember the signal I have and the signal I taught you is valid for volatility 25. So the very first step you are going to take is very simple. Okay, I need you to understand this. You leave the growth rate at 5%. Don't change it. Save it. Your stake, let's say for instance, I want to use $2. I'll save it. You have to save it. Okay, you have to save it. Then take profit. What is 10% of $2? That's 20 cents. So I'll put 0.2 and I'll save. So it means my target is just 10%. Now, what you can see here, right here, you can see, remember all these, the counts that I said we look for, right? Okay, to make it easier, so that you'll be able to understand it. Remember what we've said from 18 to 21. From 18 to 21. Right now, the current is like 100, whatever. So it's only when we see like, maybe it stops at 18, 19, 20, 21, just based on what I've explained to you before, then you start looking for an entry. But you see, what I described for you only has straightforward trading version, okay? We are not looking out for any other thing. You are not watching out for any other process. But you see the signal that I have sieved out here already sorts timing, repetition, and I've already sorted out some of the signals that are very, very dicey, not likely to come true. So what I want you to understand is this. So you see this first one that said tradable. This tradable, its color is going to change to green. Whenever you have seen losses, let's say like this one now, there's been a loss and there has been like 3 more trades after it. So anytime you experience a loss like this, okay, it's going to trigger, let you know, oh, this is the region you would like to really trade. Okay, but it does not mean that I cannot trade right now. I can trade. If I want to trade, I can trade. You want to trade, you can trade. But this is for more, let's say you want to look for particular time you want to trade. You just don't want to be trading anytime. You want to wait for a particular period to trade. Anytime this guy shows green, it's good for you to trade. Once it shows tradable, it's good for you to trade. Now, one thing I want to show you so that you get to see is, let me refresh this so that you get to see it very well. Now, I'm refreshing so that you get to see the reading, okay? The last one is 103, okay? I want you to look at this very well. So let me zoom in. Okay, it's moving. It's not stuck. It's moving. So you can see we have 103, 50, 27, 22. So we come back here to Deriv. This D trader, there's no way to split it. I don't know how to split it. Okay, even on my phone that allow splitting, it doesn't usually go through. Okay, so you can see the value here: 103, 50, 27, 22. You can see. If you look at it carefully, they are all the same. 103, 50, 27, 22. Can you see? Can you see? 103, look at it like this, side by side. Okay, can you see it? 103, 50, 27, 22, 57. Okay. It captures the current moving price. So if it captures the current moving price, it will also trigger you, let you know when signal is coming. Hello, it will tell you when signal is available. So how would it tell you when signal is available? Okay, I'll have to pause and refresh this page. Okay, why? Because I need to make it a complete video. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Can you see this? Okay. Can you see this? It says Aku signal. That means signal is available. Okay. Since signal is available, all we need to do is to come here. Okay, you can see, if you look carefully, you can see this was what was it called? 20. Now it should have shown us. Okay, let me show you the website again. You can see it tells you get ready. Okay, right now you can get ready. Now, what are you getting ready for? You are getting ready for a trade. So I can come here, okay, and right now I'm going to be waiting, okay, I'm going to be waiting for this guy to show me 18. That's all I'm waiting for right now. 16, 17, 18 on dot, I click on buy, okay. Now, I'm waiting for trade and I've made my profits. And if you go to the website as well, you will see the same trade I just did right now, ongoing. And you can see it says 1. Okay, already. Can you see? It's already showed us 1. Are you seeing it? So I need you to understand, it's very simple. It's not difficult. And you will see the record of the trades done before. Okay, you will see the records of the trade done before. You will see all of them here. This trade we just took now is 0837. See the time we took it. Now there are some time that my signal already sorted. It has been optimized, removing the ones that I know most times when you trade signal those times, out of every 20, maybe 10 or 5 are going to end up as losses. So those has already been sieved out. So the ones that are not sieved out are the ones that the market themselves would suddenly spike. Deriv itself would suddenly spike it. Those are the ones that there is no way I can control that one. There is no way I can sort those ones out. So, but I can minimize the level of exposure whereby you get to see losses. Okay, I can minimize all that, whereby you're not going to be seeing heavy losses. You're going to be seeing minimal losses. So, if you're going to want to trade again, remember we said 3 trades maximum, 3 trades per day. Let's say I've done one before. This is the second one. Let's say I now want to do another one. All I'm going to do is to wait again. I'm going to wait here. I don't need to go to my Deriv to wait. I can wait here. Once this guy shows me signal, it means there has been either 18, 19, 20, 21. 18 to 21 has showed up. That's what it's saying. So automatically, it's telling me signal is upcoming. So since signal is upcoming, it's going to also tell me ready when it's almost approaching. So once I see get ready, all I need to do is come here. Remember, I've already done my settings. I'll just come here and wait for my entry. I'm going to wait till it gets to 18. Then I press enter. While you are pressing enter, the one on the platform also is trading. So you are likely to have the same result, not a different result. You're going to get the same result, not a different result. Now, the best way you can do this is so that you do not overtrade. You don't need to overtrade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for one more to show you, okay? I'm going to wait for one more signal to show you. So this is where I do my waiting, because my phone does not allow me to split my screen. And then you see that Deriv trader, even if you're using a normal phone, splitting it, sometimes it will not go. Okay, it will not go through. That Deriv trader does not allow. Okay, look at this for instance. Can you guys see it already? Can you see it? Okay, can you see it already? Okay, now all I need to do is I can wait to see get ready. Once I see get ready, I can go straight to the Deriv platform. Then I'll start waiting for once it gets to 18 to make my entry. Are you getting it? So sometimes if you don't get to see the get ready, it means, okay, can you see it has already given me get ready. So I can come here now, and I'll come here. You can see already this one here is now 15, 16, 17, 18. I've clicked already. Okay, I entered on 18. Okay, I entered on 18. And you can see I've won my trade again. Are you with me? Now, if we go back to the website, you will see the same trade again. Okay, it has already done, now, this one did not do the trade. I'll tell you why. Because of the timing. This one did not do the trade because of the timing. That's why I told you that it's not all the ones that shows up. Okay, it's not everything that shows up that you are to trade. It's not everything. There are some that are sorted. The reason why I sort them is to avoid catching losses. Okay, is to avoid catching losses. And it's the best option. For me, it's the best option. That's how I use it. Okay, because to avoid, I've traded this one, I've traded that, I don't like over trading it. If I want to trade it, I trade it cool. Imagine if you have traded, it means you can be making 30% every day. Okay, you can be making 30% every day. So that's how easy or how solid it is. There are some, it will not allow you to trade them because of the timing. Okay, because of the timing. So I don't want to get this video too long, okay, but you can see all the trades that I've done here. All right, you can see all the trades that I've done here. 1, 2, 3. I've already done 3 while trying to show you. Okay, so I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to overdo the rules. The rules are simple. Don't overtrade. Okay, do not overtrade. Every time there is a new signal, it's going to pop up. It's going to show you. It's going to get you ready. You have to be ready for it. Oh, are you ready? Oh, now it's tradable. Now, I want to also let you know, this signal is available as low as 1,000 naira for a week. You can subscribe and test it out. And you can also trade based on the explanation I've given you. Okay, but there are some Timing, there are some, okay, for instance, look at all this trade. Out of 10, only one loss. Okay, there are sometimes out of 20, you get 1 or 2. Out of 20 trades, you will get 1 or 2. Okay, so, and this is not trading the same way. Hello, this one is not trading the same way you are trading. Okay, it's not trading the same way as you are picking everything. This one is not picking everything. The signal is plenty, so he's not picking everything. We have selected the ones that I'm sure of. Okay, for instance, I can show you, let's say, out of 50 trades. Okay, let's look at out of 50 trades, right? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. I hope you're seeing it. 4 losses out of 50 trade. Out of 50 signals, 4 losses. Okay, are you seeing it? Now, there are times you could see a whole 20, no loss. So that's why I'm saying, okay, let's even say you want to start trading. Okay, you want to start, and as you want to start, you are not, let's say right now you want to start, you are not ready. You want to be sure you are starting on a good note. The first thing you should do is just come to this report session, okay? You just come down here. Let me refresh this. You just come to the report session is here. You come down and you look at the report. Okay, once you've had like 1 loss inside a 10 trades, okay? Once you have 1 loss, let's say already we've seen 1 loss here, you are okay to start trading. But if you're looking at the whole table, everything is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Wait till you see the loss. Then you can start your trading session. Mind you, accumulator is very quick. Okay, to execute a single trade, you are not going to spend more than, what's it called? You are not going to spend more than how many minutes? Maybe 5 seconds for a single trade. 5 seconds to make 10%. 5 seconds to make 10%. 5 seconds, make 10%. So you are only supposed to spend like 15 seconds for a trade, for 3 trades, for your section, 15 seconds. But within that 15 seconds, you are going to be waiting for the signal to mature. You can spend like 15 minutes, you can spend like 30 minutes, you can spend like even 1 hour, depending on how the signal is available. Are you with me now? So don't overtrade it. The notification comes, but for accumulator, I will not recommend you trading with the notification. You have to enter on instanta, just like I've shown you now. That's how you trade it. You go to you first set up your Deriv, put the page up. Then when the page is up, you do your setup like I've showed you here. You do your setup here. Okay, you do all your setup. Once you've done your setup, you've saved it based on the amount you want to use. And I will encourage you, practice first with demo. Okay, practice first with demo. Then when you've practiced for like 2-3 days with demo and you've seen the result is constant, then you take small amount of money. You can start with $1. No problem. The minimum you can use on accumulator is $1. So you can start with $1. Test it for a week and see your performance. And make sure you stick to a trading period and document your journey. Don't just trade anyhow. Okay, so instead of me coming here looking at all the chart, I already have a signal for it. I don't need to stay here and start looking at it, and then I will start getting idea that, okay, maybe I can use, let me use another value. Maybe when it gets to like 38, let me get to like maybe 36, let me do. My brother, there is no version of this trading, my brothers and sisters, there is no version of this trading I have not tested run. Okay, before I will stick with one, that I stick with what works more. There is no version I have not done. Okay, there is also a version that allows me to know when the market is more tradable. Okay, but for this version, usually the market, once the market is like, let's say, red bar on 1 hour, it's tradable. If green bar on 1 hour, it's tradable. Whichever it is tradable. So as long as the market is moving, it's not ranging within particular range for a long time, you're good to trade it. So guys, this is me showing you exactly what we've had. Remember, I said on my Signal service where I trade, okay, what I trade. Okay, what I trade, the link for my Signal service is available in the description below. You can check them. Now, I trade goes outside. I have 3 set of signals that you can use. Okay, I trade touch. I have not gone through showing you how to trade with touch or goes outside yet. Maybe the next session we'll pick one of them. Okay, maybe we'll pick touch. Now, touch can accumulator can give me 10%. In 5 seconds. Touch can give me maximum 30% in like 90 seconds. Okay, it can give me 30% in like 90 seconds. Then goes outside can give me maximum, maybe highest 10 or 11% at 2 minutes. So these are the ones that I trade. And I also have reports of my robot, like this robot is connected to a real account. Okay, you can see it has done 2 trades today. This one is simply trading goes outside. Okay, and it's trading with real money. It has already made $10. I've collected the $10. Okay, it has made $10. I've collected the money. And guess what? It's using a capital of $10. Okay, these are the trades it has done for this month, 54 trades, and this is how profitable it is. This is the profit it made today. So almost like every day, it makes a minimum of like roughly 10%. That's the target. Let's just get 10%. Get 10% of the $5. Boom, we're okay. 10% of the $5, we're okay. It has only had 1 loss, okay, for this whole month. Okay, did it lose? Yes. Let me show you now. It's here. You will see it on my website. It's not hidden. I don't have it hidden. You see the loss here. And I can tell you what was responsible for this loss. If you look at this loss, it was afternoon. Okay, because I had to change some setup. I changed some setup. And as I changed the setup, I was supposed to disable something. I didn't disable it. I have seen that, oh, it has already even taken place. So, and I had to reload it, refresh it, and remove it. I forgot to remove it. That was why it was not supposed to take this trade. So it just took a random trade and it experienced a loss. So it's even good that it did that so that I'll get to know that there was an error. So I had to correct it. And since then, that's the middle of the month. Okay, since then, it's been profit all the way. Okay, there are days it didn't trade. Okay, like 28 on the 28th, this one didn't trade. But my main one, it traded. Okay, because they are not trading the same pattern. So all these things are available here on my Signal service. So for the accumulator, is here. Okay, you can get to see it. I was waiting to see if we'll get to see another signal. Maybe I can get to show you. But all the same, it's all well and good. I've been able to show you with the little ones that I could. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.